While Manjeet Chiller's raiding heroics did catch many by surprise this season, his defensive prowess still continues to be the main weapon in his arsenal. From standing guard against relentless attacks to pouncing on a prey like a hungry wolf, Manjeet has been the fulcrum of the Bengaluru Bulls defense in Season 2 of Star Sports Pro Kabaddi. And these numbers highlight the significance of the Bengaluru defense. Leading from the front, skipper Manjeet Chiller notched up 39 valuable tackle points through the season at a near 50% astounding tackle success rate. Known for his aggressive approach, Manjeet took defending to an altogether different level with such trademark advanced tackles.
Manjeet Chiller doesn't understand anything else. You come in my way, I'll throw you away.
Typically a left cover defender, Manjeet's mere presence spelled doom for the best of left-sided raiders in the league, all of them eventually falling prey to his tenacious blocks.
And when you look at this formation, you can see Chedla and Joginder Nagwal on the right corner. That's the change in formation, and it brings about success because this is the combination challenge. Manjeet Chiller comes in late, but it is Manjeet and Preetham Chiller who combine beautifully.
Front block there by Manjeet Chiller, and once Manjeet had got for the thigh hold, Kuldeep had absolutely nowhere to go.
मंजीत का ब्लॉक खतरनाक क्यों माना जाता है? क्योंकि वो जो लेफ्ट रेडर है, जो जब भी रेड को आते हैं तभी जब भी वो एक नंबर पे अगर रेडर खेल रहा है तो वो थोड़े नज़दीक रहते हैं. जैसे सिचुएशन रहेगा वो सिचुएशन से वो अपना एंगल बना के ही रेडर को कैच कर लेते हैं.
Such was Manjeet's supremacy that even the finest raider of the country, Rakesh Kumar, succumbed to his might. The veteran raider taken out as many as 3 times in a single match by Manjeet.
And they do so. Right on cue. The Bulls have certainly again pegged back the hero of Patna, Rakesh Kumar. And he doesn't have an answer. Ajay Thakur is clapping in the stand, and that is good to see.
And why not? Because they've got a big fish yet again. And I think Rakesh Kumar once again underestimates the power and the raw talent of Manjeet Chiller, the bull. Rakesh Kumar, come on, show us your might. This is the right time.
Watch Taruna Cherryadar on the right corner. His hands just keep going to the left ankle of Rakesh. He's looking for an opening. Now he swings around to try and find Rakesh going deeper. But he doesn't need to because Manjeet Chiller again has had the better of Rakesh Kumar.
And that is not for the first time in the night. This tackle, this challenge, this fantastic block.
While he may be the undisputed best in his position, what makes Manjeet a complete defender is his versatility, his ability to excel in different positions as required for the team.
But on this occasion, it is Manjeet Chiller, his counterpart, that has his number on the left corner.
Yesterday it took 30 minutes for Manjeet Chiller to produce a point. Today he does it right in the third.
That's a great diving ankle hold.
कि डिफेंडर ऐसे है कि वो सभी पोजीशन पे खेलते हैं. मतलब वो अगर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर भी लगाते हैं, लेफ्ट टर्न भी लगा रहे हैं, कभी कभी उन्होंने राइट कवर भी लिया है, कभी कभी राइट कॉर्नर भी लगाया है, और वो मोमेंट पे वो कैच भी कर रहे हैं सिचुएशन देख के.
Manjeet's ability to peak against the best in the business was evidence of his resilient character.
Manjeet Chiller with a stellar block and the dash as well. It's a combination tackle.
So when it came to facing the Telugu Titans, the best attacking unit of the league, Manjeet was up at his defensive best, scoring 12 tackle points in their 2 league clashes.
Oh, Prashant Rai. That is a block of the highest quality from Manjeet Chiller. The captain has put in an audacious tackle.
While Manjeet might not have held on to last season's Best Defender award, his defensive performances were extremely influential in taking the Bengaluru Bulls all the way to the final. Powered with the attitude of a fearless warrior and the might of a marauding bull, Manjeet Chiller is certainly one champion defender who every team will be desperate to have in their rank.